Welcome back. Only on CBS 12 News, artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare. In our next look at the promises and perils of AI, Amber Robb shows us how one local hospital is using artificial intelligence to help make strides in the war with breast cancer.
Here at Boca Raton Regional Hospital, every patient receiving a mammogram will have their scans reviewed by artificial intelligence. Doctors here tell me this technology is a game changer because it can detect things before our eyes can see them. Artificial intelligence is helping physicians detect signs of breast cancer sooner and with greater accuracy. Both are critical to saving lives.
So this is what you might be seeing, and then this is how it's identifying that.
Dr. Luis Morel at Boca Raton Regional Hospital's Lynn Cancer Institute is using AI to assist with mammography scans.
It also adds on the ability to process an incredible amount of data from that mammogram that isn't caught by the naked eye. So it can look at the background, where is that tissue like around that finding, and therefore figure out where is an abnormality that really needs more investigation.
Dr. Morel says they conducted a study using the technology called Profound AI with almost 98,000 patients. And because having AI review the findings didn't require extra biopsies or imaging, they were able to apply it to those scans.
The study that was done, which was basically comparing expert mammography readers without AI and with AI, and showing that they found 23% more breast cancers.
The good news about this is it not only helps to pick up things that you might not know.
23% more cancers found by AI. It can find things as small as a tiny seed, up to 2 years sooner. And early detection is key to positive outcomes.
I don't think I ever would see those early breast cancers in our patients, except if it was like an accident as part of another tissue that was removed.
You can use AI to actually get more insight into a patient, because not every disease is the same, and people have different profile, different pattern of showing the disease and different symptoms.
Benaz Garani with Florida Atlantic University's College of Engineering and Computer Science says AI is revolutionizing diagnostic care and becoming an indispensable tool for doctors.
It's not about replacing the expertise, it's helping and complementing and empowering physicians to do what they're good at.
Another unexpected benefit, because this technology can identify cancer so early, some patients won't need difficult treatments like chemotherapy or mastectomy.
The first line of defense is finding it very early and being able to remove that abnormal tissue, and maybe it's less tissue that you have to remove.
Since AI has been so successful here in helping catch cancer earlier, the Baptist Health Hospital System has decided to expand the use of artificial intelligence to all of its imaging centers. Reporting in Boca Raton, I'm Amber Robb, CBS 12 News.